Looking for the best cordless metal shears for your DIY or professional projects? In this video, we're diving into 5 popular models and ranking them from weakest to best. Stay tuned to find out which one will make cutting metal a breeze. Let's kick things off with the Sumumtor TPJ-1. This cordless metal shear might seem like a good choice at first glance, but it lands at the bottom of our ranking. It's a bit of a mystery when it comes to detailed specs, and it's heavier than most competitors, weighing in around 7 pounds. Plus, we couldn't find any clear information about its cutting capacity, which is a huge drawback when you're trying to make precise cuts. While the rotating head does offer some flexibility, and it's cordless, which is a bonus, the lack of cutting capacity specs leaves a lot to be desired. Compared to other shears, this one feels a little underwhelming. Other models we'll discuss offer much more clarity on their cutting power. On top of that, the product has few customer reviews, so it's hard to trust how well it performs over time. And with the battery not being specified, it's hard to know exactly how it'll hold up in the field. Overall, it's not the best option for anyone serious about cutting metal. If you're looking for a no-nonsense metal shear with detailed specs and a strong reputation, you might want to skip the Sumumtor. But don't worry, we've got some great alternatives coming up. Want to check the best price for the Sumumtor TPJ-1? You'll find the link in the description below. Next up is the CAMXTOOL metal shears. This tool offers a significant step up from the Sumumtor with a powerful 800-watt motor and 2 4.0 amp-hour batteries included. It's another cordless model with a 360-degree rotating head, making it more versatile for tight spaces. If you're working with metal sheeting or light gauge materials, it'll get the job done with ease. However, at 7.72 pounds, it's a bit heavier than some other shears, and it still lacks clear details on its exact cutting capacity. The 800-watt motor is strong, but without more specific information on its cutting thickness, it's hard to say how it compares to other tools in this range. Despite those limitations, the included batteries make it a solid choice for those looking for a ready-to-go option. It's not the lightest option, but it is powerful and comes with everything you need to get started. If you're just starting out and need a robust tool, this one's worth considering. If you're enjoying the review so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more detailed reviews. Now we're getting into the Labfintom. This model strikes a good balance between power and portability, weighing in at just 3.63 pounds. It's compatible with DEWALT's 20-volt battery system, which is a huge plus if you already own other DEWALT tools. The brushless motor ensures better efficiency and a longer lifespan, and the 360-degree swivel head offers fantastic maneuverability, especially in tight spaces. Where this model falls short is in its cutting capacity. While it can handle up to 18-gauge mild steel and 20-gauge stainless steel, this might not be enough if you're working with thicker or tougher materials. Compared to some of the more powerful models, its cutting range feels a little limited, especially considering its price. Still, if you're already a part of the DEWALT ecosystem and need something lightweight for lighter sheet metal work, this could be an excellent choice. But for anyone working with thicker gauges, you might want to consider something with a bit more muscle. The PropeLannt brings a lot to the table, especially for those already using Milwaukee's M18 battery platform. Weighing only 3.27 pounds, it's one of the lightest options in the lineup, and its 360-degree adjustable cutting head provides great flexibility. But what really sets it apart is its rugged, shock-resistant build, which is perfect if you're working in tough environments where durability is key. However, like the Labfintom, it's not perfect. The cutting capacity isn't clearly specified, and the fact that it uses Milwaukee's M18 batteries means you'll need to buy them separately if you don't already have them. So while it's a solid choice for flexibility and portability, its lack of clarity on cutting capacity might be a deal breaker for some. For those already invested in the Milwaukee M18 platform, this shear could be a great addition, but if you're new to the brand, you'll need to factor in the cost of the batteries and charger. And finally, we come to the DEWALT. This is easily the standout performer in this roundup. With a cutting capacity of 18-gauge mild steel and 20-gauge stainless steel, it's ideal for a wide range of sheet metal applications. Plus, it features a 360-degree tool-free rotating head, which is great for those hard-to-reach spots. At just 3.9 pounds, it's relatively lightweight, making it easy to handle during extended use. The LED work light is a thoughtful addition, ensuring you can see your work clearly, even in low-light conditions. While it doesn't come with a battery, its performance makes it well worth the investment, especially if you already own a DEWALT 20-volt battery. Overall, the DEWALT combines power, precision, and versatility in one solid package. It's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable, well-built metal shear. If you're serious about metalworking projects, this is the top choice. Now that you've seen all 5 products, be sure to check out the links to the top picks in the description below. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Happy cutting!